Okay, dear students, good morning. In the last video, we had seen some problems on matrices. Now we are going to study the problems which are based on matrix multiplication, properties of matrix multiplication. Under that, we have one problem, that is the given problem is in the way, and our job is to find A into BC, AB into C, show that AB into C is equal to A into BC, which is nothing but associative law in case of matrix multiplication. This question is very important for category of 5 mark. Category of 5 mark. Solution. What is our job? Our job is to find BC. Our job is to find BC. BC is nothing but 1 0 minus 1. 3 2 4, 3 2 4. After that 1 2, 2 0, 3 minus 2, minus 4 1. The order should be 3 cross 2 here, 3 rows and 2 columns. After that 2 rows, 1 2 3 4 columns. Of them in order should be 3 cross 4. Final order should be 3 cross 4, which is equal to, I will write directly just to look at the hand where I am taking B and C. 1 into 1, first row, first column. 1 into 1, that is 1. 3 into 2, that is 6. After that 1 into 2, you write it as 2. 3 into 0, which is 0. After that 1 into 3, you write it as 3. 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6. After that 1 into minus 4, that is minus 4. 3 into 1, that is 3. After that 1 into 0, you write it as directly 0. 2 into 2, you write it as 4. 0 into 2, 0. 2 into 0, 0. 0 into 3, 0. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Minus 4 into 0, 0. 2 into 1, that is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. After that, minus 1 into 1, minus 1. 4 into 2, which is 8. Minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2. Plus 4 into 0, which is 0. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8. Minus 1 into minus 4, that is plus 4. 4 into 1, that is 4. I have written directly just to take the values first row and first column and their sum, which is nothing but is BC. 6 plus 1, that is 7. 4 7. 2 0 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 4 minus 11. Minus 1 2 8, which is the 1 minus, correct? 6 minus 3, minus 6, that is minus 3. 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4, 3 cross 4, which is the value of matrix, that is multiplication, which is BC. Next is, now our job is to find A into BC, right? Now A into BC. Now A into BC, which is equal to A 1 2 3, 1 0 minus 1, minus 1 3 2 into 7 4 7, 2 0 minus 2, minus 3 minus 4 minus 11. After that -1 to 8. Correct? These are all entries. Then our job is to multiply the elements. Now, here order should be 3 cross 3. 1, 2, 3, 3 cross 3. Here there will be 3 cross 4. What is the upcoming order? Upcoming order should be 3 cross 4, which is equal to 1 into 7, 7, first row, first column element, 1 into 7, 7, 1 into 4, 4, minus 1 into 7, minus 7, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 0, 0, minus 1 into minus 2, plus 2, 1 into minus 3, minus 3, 1 into minus 4, minus 4, minus of minus, that is plus 11. After that, 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1, 1 into 2, that is exactly 2, minus 1 into 8, minus 8. After that, 2 into 7, that is 14, plus 0 into 4, that is 0, 3 into 7, that is 21. After that, 2 into 2, 4, 0 into 0, 0, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, 0, 3 into minus 11, minus 33. After that, 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2, 0 into 2, that is 0, 3 into 8, that is 24. 24. After that, 3 into 7, 21, 1 into minus 4, that is minus 4, 2 into 7, that is 14. After that, 3 into 2, that is 6, minus 1 into 0, 0, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 3 into minus 3, minus 9, minus of minus plus 4. After that, 2 into minus 11, 22, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2, 2 into 8, that is 16. 2 into 8 becomes 16. Now A into BC, which is equal to 7, 7 it close, here there will be 4, 14, 20, 34, 34 plus 1 becomes 35. After that, 21 plus 14, 21 plus 10, 31, 31 plus 4, 35, 35 minus 4, that is 31, 31, 2 plus 2, which is 4, minus 6, minus 2, 6 minus 4, that is 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 7, 11 minus 7, that is 4, minus 39. After that, 22 9, 22 9 becomes 31, minus 31, minus 31, 4, that is minus 27. After that, minus 1, minus 8, minus 9, minus 9 plus 2, minus 7, 24 2, here there will be 22. After that, 16 minus 5, 16 minus 5 is nothing but 11. Which is the order 3 cross 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Order is 3 cross 4. You call it as equation number 1. You call that equation number 1. A into B, C. Next our job is to find AB into C. Next is AB into C. Before that, our job is to find AB. Now, AB. AB is nothing but A, 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 3, 2, that is A. B is nothing but 1, 0, minus 1, 3, 2, 4. What is the order? 3 cross 3 and 3 cross 2. Upcoming order should be 3 cross 2. Upcoming order should be 3 cross 2, which is equal to, correct? 1 into 1, 1. First row, first column. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. Minus or minus, that is plus 1. After that, 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 2, 2. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. After that, 2 into 1, 2. 0 into 0, 0. 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. 2 into 3, there will be 6. 0 into 2, 0. 3 into 4, there will be 12. 3 into 1, 3. Minus 0, minus 2. 3 into 3, 9. Minus 2, 8. Which is equal to 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Minus 1, 1. Minus 3 plus 2 becomes 1, minus 1. Okay? 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 4, 1, 18. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 minus 2, 15. What is the order? Here the order should be 3 cross 2. 3 cross 2. What is the value? Value is nothing but AB. Now, AB into C. Now consider AB into C. Now consider AB into C. Now, AB into C is equal to, we have found the value of AB, minus 1, 1, 18, 15 into value of C. C is nothing but 1 and 2, 2, 0, 3 minus 2, minus 4, 1. The order should be 3 cross 2. Here 2 cross 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Upcoming order should be 3 cross 4. Our job is to find matrix of order 3 cross 4 for the matrix AB dot C. Now, which is equal to 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 1 into 0, 0, 2 into 3, 6, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, 2 into minus 4, minus 8, 1 into 1, that is 1, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, plus 36, 18 into 2, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, plus 0, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, minus 36, minus 1 into 4, that is plus 4, 18 into 1, that is exactly 18, 1 into 1, 1, 15 into 2, 13. 1 into 2, 2 plus 0. 1 into 3, 3 minus 30. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. 15 into 1, that is 15. Correct? Which is equal to AB into C, which is equal to 2 plus 2, 4, 35, 31, 4 minus 2, 2, 4 minus 39, minus 27. After that, minus 7, 22, 11. Call that equation number 2. Call that equation number 2. Now from 1A into A into BC, which is equal to AB into C. Correct? 4, 35, 35. All the entries are one and the same. Correct? From equation 1 and 2, RHS of the matrix whose entries which are same. Therefore, A into BC is equal to AB into C. Therefore, associative law holds for multiplication of matrices where A, B, C are defined matrices. Defined matrices only the associative law holds. In the general, associative law holds for multiplication of matrices. This is very, very important for category of fiber. Next I will take one problem which is also important for the category of 5 marks in the annual exam. First I will take the problem as if A is equal to 0 minus 6, 7, 6, 0 minus 8, 7, 8, 0. B is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. C is equal to 2 minus 2, 3. Calculate AC, BC and A plus B into C. Also verify that A plus B dot C, which is equal to AC plus BC. AC plus BC. This is also one of the important questions for the category of 5 mark in the main exam. The question is based on properties of matrix multiplication, and this property is nothing but yesterday we have discussed it. The property is nothing but the addition is distributes over multiplication. Addition is distributes over multiplication, which is nothing but distributive property. Now solution. What is the solution here? First, our job is to find A plus B. A plus B is equal to A is 0 minus 6, 7, 6, 0 minus 8, 7, 8, 0. A plus B. B is nothing but 0 1 1 1 0 2, after that 1 2 0, which is equal to 0 plus 0 0, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8, minus 6 plus 1 minus 5, 0 plus 0 0, 8 plus 2 10, 7 plus 1 8, minus 8 plus 2 minus 6, 0 plus 0 0, which is the value of a plus b. Next our job is to find a plus b into c. Now a plus b dot c is equal to 0 minus 5 8, 7 0 minus 6, 8 10 0 into value of c. C is 2 minus 2 3, 2 to 3. Order is 3 cross 3. Order is 3 cross 1. Sorry, 3 rows, only 1 column. 3 cross 3 and 3 cross 1. Upcoming order should be 3 cross 1, which is equal to 0 into 2, 0, 7 into minus 2, minus 14, 8 into 3, 24. After that, minus 5 into 2, minus 10, minus 0, plus 30, 8 into 2, that is 16, plus 12, plus 0, which is equal to 10, 20, 28, which is a plus b into c. 10, 20, 28. Correct? You call this equation as, call it equation number 1. Now, AC, BC we have to find out. AC, BC, correct? AC is equal to, AC, they are given 0 minus 6, 7, 6, 0 minus 8, 7, 8, 0, A into C, 2 minus 2, 3, which is equal to 0 into 2, 0, 6 into minus 12, 6 into 2, minus 12, that is minus 2 into 6, minus 12, 7 into 3, that is 21, minus 6 into 2, minus 12, 0 into 2, 0, 24 it is. After that, 7 into 2, 14, plus 16, plus 0. AC is equal to 9, 12, 16 plus 14, 30. 30. 16 plus 10, 26, 4, which is nothing but 10. AC. Call it equation number 2. Correct? AC. Next our job is to find what? BC. Our job is to find the value that is BC. Now BC is equal to BC. Now BC is equal to 0 1 1 1 0 2 1 2 0. After that C is nothing but 2 minus 2 3. B 0 1 1 0 2 1 2 0. C is nothing but 2 minus 2 3. The order model should be 3 cross 1. You know it is 0 into 2, 2, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, 1 into 3, exactly 3. After that 1 into 2, 2, 0 into minus 2, 0, 2 into 3, that is 6. 1 into 2, that will be 2, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 0 into 3, that is 0, which is equal to 1, 8, minus 2. Call the equation number 3. Now, consider AC plus BC. Now consider AC plus BC or equation 2 plus equation 3, that is AC plus BC, which is equal to, what is the value of AC? 9, 12, 30 plus BC. BC is nothing but 1, 8 minus 2, which is equal to 9 plus 1 becomes 10, 9 plus 1 becomes 10, 12 plus 8, 20, 30 minus 2, that is 28. Call it equation number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the values. A plus B into C, 10, 20, 28. AC plus BC is nothing but 10, 20, 28. What it indicates? Equation 1 and equation 4, they are equal. Correct? Therefore, we prove the distributive law. Therefore, from equation 1 and equation 4, A plus B into C, which is equal to AC plus BC. Correct? From equation 1 to equation 4, we prove A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC, which is the important result for Weimar category. Okay, today we studied about two properties which are discussed in last class, approved in today's class. Next we will see more problems of the same topic, that is matrices.